today's Liam Toys. And today, we are going to do a science experiment. So, there's a big storm coming that's going to be lots of rain. So, my dad found an idea to get a cup and see how many rain. But I had a question. We won't fit all of the rain in there. So, if we know how many inches it is with these rollers, we can Theo, stop. We can do it water rain. So if there's like 2 inches in here, you know that every single place is going to be 2 inches. So, don't want to make a too fat hole. Because look, hey guys, so we finally did it. And now, after the storm, we're going to wait after the storm to do it, to see what it looks like. Bye. Oh, well, today's the next day, and now, let's see what the cup looks like. To you, I actually think that, there's no water in it. But there actually is. It's just all clear. Inside of it is also clear. So, inside of it looks clear, but there's actually water in it. And now we're going to go inside and check it. Got it. Let's go back. So guys, we finally measured it, and it said just before an inch.
Just below an inch.
Just below an inch. So
how did we measure it? Why don't you show how we measured it?
We put it in the bucket.
What did we put in the bucket?
A measurer.
What do we call the measurer again?
A ruler.
A ruler, that's right.
And now we saw it, and it was...
So point on your finger where it came up to, roughly.
All the way there. Not to the 1, but a little more lower to that 1.
Okay. So how powerful was this storm? We're measuring the storm in by the amount of rain it dropped. So how powerful was it? Below.
Below.
So it's just below 1.
Oh, it's just below it 1. See the
1 inch.
Oh, it's just below 1 inch.
All right.
And now we're going to write it down on this piece of paper.
Great.
Bye. If you want any Liam toys, you say goodbye. Bye. Oh, I better draw. Oh, there.